What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make mango, cucumber and mint smoothie. It's so healthy and very refreshing. You have to try this. So let's get started. First off, I have my cucumber here. I'm going to slice it. No need to peel the cucumber. And also there's no need of removing the seeds from the cucumber. You just have it all. Just eat it all. But today we are going to make a smoothie, not eat it. So you cut chunks of the cucumber. I'm going to add this in my blender. Next, I have a very big mango. This is one mango. So I'm also going to add it in my blender. This mango is so sweet. So I have some mint here and it's so fresh. So I'm going to add about 2 leaves of mint. 2 to 3 leaves of mint. That is what is going to make the smoothie more refreshing. Oh, it's so fresh. So I bought my mint from the supermarket. But you can also find it at your mama mboga kibanda. So, as you can see, and it is washed also. I had already washed it. So, I'm going to put 2 to 3 leaves. There you have it. Lastly, I'm going to add some milk to help us blend. So this is low skim milk. Doesn't have a lot of fat. I think that will be enough. If not so, you're just going to add more into the blender. Next, blend. Wow! Oh my god, it's so nice. It's like a pale yellow and very oh my god, it's so vibrant. So that is how my smoothie is looking. So pour your smoothie in the glass and enjoy. Wow! And lastly, I'm going to garnish my smoothie with a mint leaf. Isn't this gorgeous, you guys? So guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope you try out this healthy smoothie. By the way, it is so healthy because it has cucumber and we have mango and of course something to refresh the smoothie like mint. So thank you so much and catch you on my next one. Ciao.